Hey everyone, is your Windows 11 laptop running slow, filled with bugs and errors? Or maybe you're just preparing to sell it and want a fresh start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Windows 11 laptop back to factory settings. I'll cover everything you need to know, from backing up your important files to choosing the right reset options, and even what to do if Windows won't boot at all. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, fast Windows 11 laptop that feels brand new again. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. Let's get started. Before we dive into the how, let me quickly explain when and why you should reset your Windows 11 laptop. You should consider resetting your laptop if it's running extremely slow despite trying other optimization methods. Maybe you've accumulated years of installed programs and junk files that are clogging up your system. Resetting is also the solution when you're dealing with persistent malware or viruses that antivirus software can't completely remove. Sometimes malicious software embeds itself so deeply that a full reset is the only way to get rid of it. If you're planning to sell or give away your laptop, resetting ensures all your personal data is completely removed. This is crucial for privacy and security. Another common reason is when Windows updates fail repeatedly, or when you're experiencing frequent crashes and blue screens that you can't fix through normal troubleshooting. The good news is that Windows 11 makes resetting easier than ever before. You have options to keep your personal files or remove everything completely. You can even reset from the cloud to ensure you get the latest version of Windows 11. Now, before we start the reset process, there's one critical step you absolutely must not skip. Back up your important files. This is extremely important. Always back up your data before resetting. Even if you choose the option to keep your files, things can go wrong. Hard drives can fail, power can go out, where the reset process might encounter errors. All right, let's get into the actual reset process. This first method is for when your laptop can boot normally into Windows. This is the easiest and most common method. Start by opening the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then clicking the gear icon for Settings, or simply press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. In Settings, click on System in the left sidebar. It should already be selected by default, but make sure you're in the System section. Now scroll down the right side until you see Recovery. Click on Recovery to open the recovery options. Here's where you'll find the Reset option. You'll see a section called Reset this PC with a button that says Reset PC. Click that Reset PC button. A new window will pop up asking you to choose an option. This is important, so pay attention. You have two main options here. The first option is Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files like documents, pictures, and videos. This is good if you want a fresh Windows installation, but don't want to lose your data. However, I still recommend backing up first because this option isn't foolproof. The second option is Remove Everything. This deletes all your personal files, apps, and settings. It's like the laptop just came out of the factory. Choose this if you're selling the laptop or if you want a completely clean start and you've already backed everything up. For this tutorial, let me explain both paths, but I'll focus on Remove Everything since it's the more thorough option. After selecting your option, you'll see another choice asking you how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download downloads a fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft servers. This ensures you get the latest version with all updates. However, it requires a stable internet connection and will use about 4 gigabytes of data. This is the recommended option if you have good internet. Local Reinstall uses the Windows files already on your laptop to reinstall the system. It's faster and doesn't require internet, but you might get an older version that you'll need to update later. I recommend choosing Cloud Download if your internet connection is reliable. It ensures you start with the most up-to-date version of Windows 11. Otherwise, you can opt for a local reinstallation, which will be faster. Click Next after making your selection. Now, you'll see a screen showing you what will happen during the reset. Read through this carefully. It lists which drives will be affected, what will be removed, and other important information. If you chose Remove Everything, you might see an additional option called Change Settings. Click on this to see more options. Here, you can toggle Clean Data on or off. When Clean Data is on, Windows will overwrite deleted files to make them unrecoverable. This is important if you're selling your laptop because it prevents others from recovering your deleted files with recovery software. However, it takes much longer, sometimes several hours instead of under an hour. If you're just refreshing your own laptop and keeping it, you can leave Clean Data off to save time. There's also an option to clean all drives or just the Windows drive. If you have multiple drives or partitions, you can choose whether to clean everything or just the main Windows installation. After reviewing all the settings, click Confirm, then click Next. You'll see one final screen showing you a summary of what's about to happen. This is your last chance to back out. Make absolutely sure you've backed up everything important. When you're ready, click Reset to begin the process. Your laptop will restart and you'll see a blue screen showing the reset progress. The screen will say Resetting this PC with a percentage. This can take anywhere from 20 minutes to several hours depending on your laptop speed, whether you chose cloud download, and whether you enabled data cleaning. Your laptop will restart several times during this process. This is completely normal. Don't turn off your laptop or interrupt the process. Just let it run until it completes. Eventually, you'll reach the Windows 11 setup screens, where you'll go through the initial setup process, like choosing your region, keyboard layout, and creating a new user account. Method 2. Reset from the login screen. What if you can't log into Windows? Maybe you forgot your password, or Windows is so corrupted it won't let you reach the desktop. Don't worry, you can still reset from the login screen. At the Windows login screen, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a power icon. Click on that power icon. Now here's the trick. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding Shift, click on Restart. Keep holding Shift until you see a blue screen appear. This takes you to the Windows recovery environment, also called WinRE. In the WinRE blue screen, you'll see several options. Click on Troubleshoot. In the Troubleshoot menu, you'll see Reset this PC as one of the options. Click on it. From here, the process is exactly the same as Method 1. You'll choose whether to keep files or remove everything. Choose between cloud download or local reinstall, and then proceed with the reset. The advantage of this method is that you don't need to log into Windows at all. It's perfect for situations where you can't access your account or Windows is too unstable to boot normally. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about resetting your Windows 11 laptop. Remember the golden rule. Always back up your important files before resetting, even if you plan to keep files during the reset. Better safe than sorry. A reset can truly breathe new life into a slow, buggy laptop. It's like getting a brand new laptop without spending any money. Your Windows 11 will be clean, fast, and free of all the junk that accumulated over time. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you reset your Windows 11 laptop before? How did it go? Do you have any questions about the process? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future Windows tutorials. Check out my other Windows 11 videos if you want to learn more tips and tricks. I've got guides on speeding up Windows, customizing your system, troubleshooting common problems, and much more. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your Windows 11 reset. See you in the next video.